neighbor shout, get your coconut water. Coconut, man, it's good for your daughter. Coconut, cocoa got a lot of iron. Coconut, make you strong like a lion. Coconut. A lady tell me the other day, no one can take a sweet man away. I asked her what was the mystery. She said coconut water and rice curry. You can cook it in a pot now. Coconut. You can serve it very hot though. Coconut. Cocoa got a lot of iron. Coconut. Make you strong like a lion. Coconut. Coconut woman says you'll agree. Coconut make very nice candy. The thing that's best if you're feeling glum is coconut water with a little rum in. It could make you very tipsy. Coconut. Make you feel like a gypsy. Coconut. Cocoa got a lot of iron. Coconut. Make you strong like a lion. Coconut. Oh, a little girl called Emily. She's as pretty as can be. When my baby was born, the wind to see. Her eyes were blue, it was not by me. Samson was the strongest man long ago. Went to the village, as you all know. When he took Delilah, the trip off the bed. Told them all the secrets in the curl of his head. Not me. Lots of people, they say that a man will lead a young woman astray. But I say that a woman of today is smarter than a man in every way. Not me. Lots of people, they say that a man will lead a young woman astray. But I say that a woman of today is smarter than a man in every way. That's right, a woman is smart. That's right, a woman is smart. That's right, a woman is smart. That's right, a woman is far away. Far away. Happy, happy every day. You live no longer like a dingo. It's like a jungle bungalow. Far away. Happy, happy every day. You live no longer like a dingo. It's like a jungle bungalow. Far away. Happy, happy every day. You live no longer like a dingo. It's like a jungle bungalow. Coconut woman, oh my, sweet me baby with all your might. Coconut woman, don't go away. Keep me going for another day. Na 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 na. Coconut make very nice candy. All the pretty girls come and share with me. She said that it's best when you're feeling glum is the coconut water with a little rum. Na 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 na.